Hi everyone, welcome to TunesKit channel. Generally, if you enter the wrong passcode on iPhone too many times, you will see iPhone unavailable screen with a countdown timer, which indicates when you can try again. But if your iPhone shows iPhone unavailable with no timer, it usually means the device is fully locked. Common reasons include too many incorrect passcode attempts, iOS system glitch or bug, incomplete iOS update or failed system upgrade, screen or Face ID malfunction. Here are several methods to fix it. Method 1. Restore iPhone using iTunes or Finder. Connect your iPhone to the computer. Open iTunes or Finder. In Summary section, click Restore iPhone. Confirm you want to restore and erase the device. Once done, your iPhone will restart. Set it up as new or restore from a backup. Method 2. Erase iPhone via iCloud. Another effective method is using iCloud to erase the device remotely. After signing into iCloud.com with your Apple ID, you can select your locked iPhone under Find My. Then click Erase. Once the process is complete, you can set up the device again. Method 3. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. As a professional iOS unlock software, TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a reliable option. Download and install TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. Connect your iPhone to computer. Open TunesKit iPhone Unlocker and choose Unlock iOS screen. Click Start and put your iPhone into recovery mode according to the guide. Confirm your device model. Click Download. Once downloaded, click Unlock. Wait for the progress bar to complete. Your iPhone will unlock successfully and restart. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.